Miranda from my Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is for Confessions of the Paper at a Cut File Shop, where I am going to use this pie circle cut file from her shop that was just brand new here in September. I am still using my How to Kill a Kit with Style collection, so this is the second to the last layout, I think. Maybe the third. But what I'm planning on doing is that obviously this is going to be my background. I'm going to take these pieces and I'm going to mask them, like edge them with my brush. Take them. And get them really edgy so that we can see the edges. And you're going to see how I'm going to take all these little pieces, because they're literally the same, and put them all together into a circle. But I'm going to take the pieces and I'm going to back some of them, and I'm going to also put some on foam tape and that, and then kind of put them together. So as an example, like these two pieces, I'll use these so I can kind of show you in real time and then go from there. All right, so I'm gonna line this up like so, and then I'm gonna take like these pieces, and I know that they go here, but I'm gonna kind of tweak them and then kind of put maybe a piece here, and then come in and then make this circle and put these right in the middle and whatnot. So let's watch how this is going to get done. Okay, now that I have edged all of them, I am going to now do this process video. I wanted to show you some in real time on like how I was going to edge it and kind of give you an idea of what it's going to look like. So I decided to just use the inner parts once I got this figured out. Obviously, I did do my distressing, and I'm just going to use these two pictures of the lighthouse. And then I think I'm going to be done with Tybee Island. Now, I did have some other photos, and I just kept looking at it, and I'm like, I don't want to really do a scrapbook layout for them. So I am probably going to actually be done and being on the lookout for my next little like collaboration of How to Kill a Kit with Style, because October is just around the corner and I can't believe that, but essentially that is what it is. So here I am going to start to stick some of these up. So some of them I do dimensions, others I just glue down and kind of make it in a sense in my circular as the best as I can, because it needs to be a circle, but I know that the pieces aren't exactly in a circle because I made sure that there was dimension between them, and I kind of not diagonally, but kind of put them a little bit off from each other. So I'm just getting these all put down, and then I come in with the next piece of areas that I am doing, which is the next innard. And then that'll be it for that. Now, I know that I will be definitely doing another layout with this particular collection to finish this off, because I want to use the inner pieces the rest of this, because it's a pretty cool it's a pretty cool cut file that Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file made. Virginia is awesome like that, where sometimes you can use the pieces like I did, which is not the actual true, well, it is, this is the true part of the cut file. The negative side of the cut file, that's what I was trying to say. And I can't wait to do like layout number B with this, or the other side, because I think it would be a lot of fun to do. So I am definitely going to keep the pieces, and that's what I'm going to work on. So I did get it to where it becomes a circle, and then you will see me do every other one a dimension, and then I come in with the photos, and it works out perfect. Like, I just love how this part turned out, and then I just love how this just fits in there. It's definitely my style of doing my layouts, and I just love it. I am so glad I'm finally over all of my sinus infection. It was rough. I'm not going to lie, it was rough. It was just rough. At first I thought maybe I ended up having, you know what, again, but I kept testing myself and I was like, nope, it's just not coming up negative. And I'm like, it's all allergies, which this is typical for me. This is a good year to be like, ugh, this is a mess. But at the same time, I'm like, man, like I'm just not getting over this. And I'm like, what am I doing? And, you know, it just finally stopped. So that helped me out a lot. So now I'm doing my dimensions and I'm going to put them all up and running on there, or get it to where it's kind of got some dimension. And now it's just embellishment time. So make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. I love all of her stuff. It's just amazing. She just blows me away every time I I look at what she brings to you guys and for us to use. It's just perfect. So make sure you go check out her shop. That'll be all linked down below. Make sure you check out the group because she does do a monthly freebie. And then afterwards, if you don't get it during the month that it is free in the group, then it becomes that you have to purchase it inside her shop. So I am just now doing clustering. You will see that I'm just clustering this up to make it look just cool. I don't know. I just love it. I just love how this turned out. So my title is going to be hello. And I took that O, and I know it looks like an egg, but on there, now that I said it, everybody's going to look at it and it's an egg. But I felt that because I didn't use any of the other eggs, since this was like a Easter type collection from the Hip Kit, that it actually turned out that it wasn't. And I'm sorry about being off camera there a little bit. Normally, I don't ever have to say that. So when I do, I don't mean it. Sorry. But I am in, let's see here, life update. School is going good. Grad school, I am finally in my last class. Oh my gosh, I am almost done. Y'all, you do not understand. I am super duper 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 excited. As much as I want fall to stick around, December needs to come so I can be done. Like completely done. I'm ready for it to be done. I am also making sure that everything is I'm making sure that everything is stuck down and it's all working, and just clustering it up, making it look pretty with all the flowers and just all that jive of stuff. I made sure that I go in and the things that I add make sense, especially for this layout because it is a lighthouse. That's just hard in itself to get together. But I totally made this layout work. Hands down. Oh God, I love how this turned out. And I hope you do too. I started my first week of classes for my sketchbook. That I got... First week went down, and I was super excited for that. So if you're wanting that, that is all linked down below. We're just in week 1, so all of the replays are there for everybody to look at. If you're interested, just click on that. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I will be getting to the point where I'll be back to uploading between 2 to 3 times a week, collaborations and all that stuff. Just the first 2 weeks the first 2 months of school has just been a little bit chaotic. Only because I'm in my student teaching. Once I get past that, then it won't be so bad. And then I'm going to take and do my splatters. And then that is pretty much it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. And to the family, it is so much fun. And let's see here. And then I get out my others. And then I do my edging. And then that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this layout. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.